Hey, you.
What?
You don't come for in here, do you? Fuck off. All right, Charlie.
Hi! You! Now you back to your fucking hostel, you jakey bastard, you!
You're gonna get my toe up your fanny, son.
Well then, fucking try it, you prick! Just better watch yourself, cunt, you're going to look like a fireman down there. Know what I mean? What are you staring at? You limp dick! Come on then! Try it! I want you to!
Jonah!
If anyone wants to handle them, we have the key and we allow them to handle them.
These are the actual stones, they're not replicas.
No, these are the...
Wie Jonas in here?
What?
Wie Jonas in here? He's green.
They've locked a boy in there.
What?
There's a boy locked in there.
Right, come on, let him out.
Get used to. Fucking let him out of there.
No! You fucking let him out! We don't come here, remember!
That's an evil wee bastard, that.
You better let him out.
I can leave him. Serves him right for hanging about with they wee pricks.
Let him out, you'll suffocate.
You let him out.
You're a miserable bastard, you know that?
Oh, I'm a miserable bastard. Who's the one that's been greeting all day, eh?
You know fucking why.
I know. Still love me, eh? Aye, you're a romantic cow, Alice. I'll give you that, you. Nino, 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 Nino. All right, sir. It's a fire brigade. Stand well back for the door, because we're coming in. Slight technical hitch here, sir. Wait in a minute. Alice! Alice, get her here.
What?
Get up off your ass and get her here. Put your fingers under there. When I say pull, try and pull it open, all right? You ready? Right, pull. Pull. Try again, pull. Fucking hell. It's damn solid.
Oh my God.
It's all right. Wait, man, can you hear me?
What's he saying?
Huh?
Oh, dear God, he's dead.
He's no deed.
Well, how come you can't hear anything then?
I can hear him greeting, so he's no deed, all right?
Poor wee darling. Oh, get him out of there, Rudy, get him fucking out of there.
Fuck do you think I'm trying to do? Wait, man. We're going to have to phone the fire brigade. So just keep calm, all right? Can you hear me? You get him to calm down now. Get somebody to phone the fire brigade. Right.
It's all right, son. I know how you feel. I suffer really bad from claustrophobia. Lifts, trains, buses, even shops. I hate them. I hate being shut in. Would you just sit back and relax, all right? All right?
They lock their doors, but they don't clean their middens, manky bastards. Excuse me! Excuse me, pal! Did you phone the fire brigade? There's a boy trapped in there! Excuse me! I nearly took my fucking heat off!
Rudy! Rudy, get on here quick!
See if I'd have touched me, and I got it pinned in!
He says he can't breathe.
Sorry.
It's not fucking all right. You can't breathe.
Get over there and pull! Pull!
Oh, would somebody help us? What are you doing?
I'm trying to get him some air. Seen it in a film.
What film?
I don't know what fucking film. Fuck's sake. What film? Wait, man. Get your face up close to you. Breathe, get the air. You hear me?
Do you think he's all right?
I don't know.
Are you all right, son? You blew in my ear. You blew in my ear.
Tell me to suck, no blow.
You're a good bastard.
I need a drink.
What about the fire brigade?
Did you finish this bit? What have I told you about doing that? What have I told you? You fucking whore.
Don't call me a fucking whore.
I'll call you any I want. I smash this off your jaw, you greedy cow. Have you any money? Have you any money? Have you fuck? So fucking prick here's going to go and mooch money for fucking drink.
Well, that'll make a fucking change.
Don't you start that again.
Well, it wasn't you had some creep stick a bottle up your arse for a fucking tenner.
I didn't know he was going to hurt you. I didn't know. I said it was sorry, all right?
Where you going?
Get some drink.
What about the fire brigade?
I'll phone you when I get the drink.
You're all right, son. I'll no give up on you. I'm not moving till we've got you out of there. You up and about then? dead? No! You'll kill him! No! He's never done you any harm! You give that to me. You fucking give that to me! I'll kill you, bastard!
It's me!
Are you alright?
Rudy, get the boy out of there. Please, just get him out of there.
I will get him out. We'll get him out. I say push, we push, okay? Push. Oh, look who it is. You better get to fuck with, man. Because if we find a corpse in here, you're going to wind up in a murder charge.
What are you talking about?
Your wee pal. He's here where you and your girlfriend left him.
Hey, Jonah, he's still in there?
Aye, he's still in there.
Fucking hell, we're just carrying on.
Well, this is serious. You better pick up one of these and ease it on. Lighter fuel. Where's your Zippo?
What?
Was this for me?
What?
Was this for me?
What?
Are you gonna touch me?
Oh.
What the fuck is it with you? Maybe Charlie was right, but, eh? Maybe we should kill these cunts before they kill us.
Rudy, please.
I hope he's dead. And they'll lock you up like the animal you fucking are. Hey, when I say push, we all push down, okay? Push! 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 Push!
Jesus, no.
Alice!
He's dead.
Better get him up the road.
Aye, all right.
had a report of a boy stuck in a fridge. You know anything about it?
No, don't know about it.
Is she alright?
It's alright. I see. I don't think I don't. Go on. Have a last look before you go to bed with your cocoa, or whatever the fuck it is you cunts drink. Hope your milk's stopped. Hope you drink it and fucking puke.
Rudy, my face hurts.
You want me to take you up to the hospital?
No.
Fuck off, go to sleep.